What's up, guys? How are you guys? You guys already know, back at it. You guys been seeing the process with the Subi cosmetically getting changed up. We got the side skirts, front lip. We threw this rear diffuser on. We have the carbon fiber trunk area. So the only thing kind of remains is this old dusty wing. I hate how this looks. I try to compound polish it and it's not coming off, but it's been cool. It's been like the last thing, you know, but figured we add it to give it some extra spice because it's the only thing this car is missing. We pretty much have the carbon hood scoop, carbon side, carbon mirrors, carbon pillars, carbon gas cap, and then the whole rear, but this is like the only thing missing. So I saw this wing that I always liked, and pretty much we got this beautiful carbon creation, gigantic carbon piece, and that's pretty much the replacement of this. You guys can see, we'll replace it. But this also has this huge wing blade that attaches to the side and all carbon. Now, unfortunately, when I purchased this, it did come with this tiny little nick right here, which kind of sucks, but the manufacturer ended up working out a deal with me, so it was worth the price for it after this had happened. But anyways, we got this thing now and it's ready to go, so we go ahead and throw it on this car. So it came in all together. I took it off to make the install easier, so pretty much now we gotta do this piece. This is super easy. This is this whole thing. Go ahead and pop open the trunk. I took all the plastic pieces off already, but they're just easy. You grab them and prime up. But from my understanding, there is 4 bolts we need to remove. One being right there, one being right there, another one right there, and another one right there. And then there's like 2 pry clips which look like that, but we're not going to be worrying about that, and then we should be able to pop that wing right off. So I'm going to get unbolting on those. Those are all 10 mils. Alright guys, today's video is sponsored by CarPod Go. So if you guys have an older car that doesn't come with a display or navigation in it, for example Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, CarPod Go got you covered. So they have this beautiful setup that they send you. So this does Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So they sent us this today to test, and they sponsored this video, so we're going to show you guys how this works. Alright, so you guys probably seen the Subaru already has one, but Melina's car does not. So this car from 2013 came with just a normal head unit like this. So obviously no Apple CarPlay, no Android Auto. So CarPod Go got us covered. So you open this box, nice sleek box, and then in here you have this beautiful screen. So the screen is what's ultimately going to show you guys your system. And then what's nice too, it has a magnetic mount, so you don't have to worry about that. So this mounts up to this pretty much, to your windshield. We're going to show you guys that right now on how that works and how to do it. Also comes with a type C to USB adapter, nice for your computer if you don't have one. Auxiliary to USB adapter, which is pretty funny. Another mount that attaches to the dash if you wanted. Third attachment, I think this is for the window if you wanted to do to the windshield. It also comes with this USB port, which has the type C inlet for the unit itself. Another 5 volt 2.4 amp charger, and yeah, this is pretty nice too. But we have some of that stuff, so we're going to be utilizing one of these because she has a dash cam. But yeah, let's throw this in the car and show you guys. All right, so we got that plugged in with our dash cam as well. You guys see powers both, which is perfect. So now this is your display, the CarPod Go. As you guys can see, we have it hard windshield mounted. This isn't set up correctly right now to exactly where we want it, but this is for the video so you guys can see. So you guys can see already it has the CarPlay, Android Auto, all the few options. So we're gonna get Melina's phone and set up her Apple CarPlay. So you'll have to turn it on, follow these instructions. All right, so she's connecting to it now via Bluetooth. All right, so we connected to it. You guys can see very modern looking display is up. It has all your apps and etc. that you would want on it. Bunch of features like the map section and a few others. Alright, so just for reference, you guys can see right now we're on Temecula, and you're able to go around and look at all the areas, and then wherever you would want to go you can click on or give it directions to be able to go. Thank you CarPod Go for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are looking to get one for yourself, links are in the description with the coupon code. Check it out. It's a very nice, useful setup. Thank you again. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so 2 good tools to use for this job. First is this. Then this is one of those clips. Be able to remove these. So we pretty much removed the wing. The new wing does not have this spot for this light, and then we have to drill the hole for the water splitter. And so this is for the lights we'll just have to tape it up, won't be able to use it. And then this is the water spitter. But now we're gonna clean this area up. And then on the side of this old wing, wait, I have like this little bit of rubber seal kind of going around it. I'm gonna re-replicate the same seal on this so it's nice and sitted, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so on the wing, I went ahead and drilled out a hole right here so we could put our sprayer. Made this hole and then extended it so this can fit. The light we didn't need, so I unplugged. There's the plug, there's the rubber seal. You guys can see it came out. Now for these holes, you guys do need to make them bigger a little bit. And I was worried water was gonna get in. So on the back of the bolts, when I thread them in, I'm gonna put these, and this should seal it so water doesn't get through. But yeah, that's pretty much the setup. Now we can go ahead and throw the wing on and attach it up. All right, so we got the wing on, fully mounted up. Open and close the trunk, there's clearance, nothing's touching. And this is what I was explaining earlier to you guys. Pretty much if you just, oh man, this light's too bright. We just lose rubber like that, you should be good. But tighten it all down. We also ran our water squirter thing. So now it's time to go ahead and throw the wing blade on. So it has these holes right here. Our wing was already assembled, but it came with the holes. Just pass the hardware through and you're good to go. This is a 2-person job though. All right, that's the final product right there. Check that out. Actually looks pretty good. I didn't know if I was gonna like it so much or not, but came out good. Fit and finish is pretty much all right. It looks pretty good. Can't complain for the price I got it for. And it's all carbon, super sick. This part obviously sucks, but oh well. Not like this car is too perfect anyways. Yeah, this looks good. I'll get you guys some shots tomorrow morning, but back shot. Pretty sure my favorite angle right now is this angle right here. Classic. Looks really good. Happy with it. All right, so now nice sunny morning. We're able to check the car out. So I checked that wing out. Looks good. Gap and stuff looks the same on both sides. Gee, this thing is huge. I'll have to get some with the sunlight in it, but overall, it looks killer. The gaps are all the same. Checked, everything is nice. I'm very happy with how it came out. It looks good. Very, very happy with it. Anyways, hopefully this helps some of you guys out. Like I said, there's no carbon creation videos out there for this wing, so I figured I'd just make one for it since we threw it on the car. It looks amazing. Very, very happy with it and how it came out. So yeah, if you guys are interested in one for yourself, this is the way to go. Catch y'all on the next one.